Hi, I'm Chef Charlotte in the kitchen with HEB. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick seafood dinner, our 20-minute shrimp tacos. First, melt the chipotle lime butter in a sauté pan over medium heat. Sauté shrimp 3 to 5 minutes or until fully cooked. They should be opaque. For a great option that adds some crunch, serve the shrimp on these JICAMA tortillas. They're a delicious way to add some veggies to your diet, but you don't want to heat them up. They're ready to go as is and can be found in the produce department at your HEB. Finally, top with a spoonful of pico de gallo, a few slices of avocado, and a pinch of cilantro, and a bit of sauce. Today I'm using ANCHO and MORITA sauce. For this and other delicious recipes, visit heb.com/recipes.